Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an Instagram user, you know how important collaborations can be for growing your reach and engaging with other creators. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to add collaboration to an Instagram post after it's already been posted, especially with the updates coming in 2025. This feature makes it easy to team up without starting from scratch. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. This ensures you have access to all the newest tools. Once you're all set, open the app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, find the post you want to add collaboration to. Scroll through your feed or search your posts until you spot it. Tap on the post to open it, then hit the three dots in the top right corner for more options. From the menu that pops up, look for the Edit button and select it. This will let you modify your post. In the Edit screen, you'll see an option for Collaborators or Add People. This might vary slightly based on the 2025 updates, but it's usually under Advanced Settings. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the username of the person you want to collaborate with. Make sure to type it correctly, and Instagram will suggest matches as you go. After adding the username, hit Send Invitation or Add Collaborator. The other user will get a notification and can accept the request. Once they do, your post will update to show both of you as collaborators, sharing the post's visibility and engagement. A quick tip: always check that your collaborator has a public profile and is okay with the collaboration to avoid any issues. Also, remember that not all post types support collaborations, like stories or reels from older versions, but in 2025, this should be more seamless. And there you have it. That's how you add collaboration to an Instagram post after posting. It's a game changer for content creators. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more social media tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.